Hello, my dear lovely students. I am your EVS teacher, Ankita Snehi. I have come up with a video for you all, that is chapter number 8, exercises part 2. Children, in my last video, I have ended with the checkpoint 1 and checkpoint 2. So today, in this video, I will commence with objective type questions. So let's start our video. A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. We should brush our teeth dash daily. Options given are once, twice. Once means 1 times and twice means 2 times. So the answer is twice. Number 2. We should sleep for about dash hours in a day. Options are given 8 and 6. So the correct answer is 8. We should sleep for about 8 hours in a day. Number 3. Dash makes us strong and fit. Options are given cooking, exercise. So the correct answer is exercise. We should do exercise daily to make us strong and fit. Number 4. We dash chew our food properly. Should not. So the correct answer is should. We should chew our food properly. Number 5. We dash get up in the morning. Should not. So the correct answer is should. We should get up early in the morning. Proceeding to the next question, that is complete the concept map. Keeping healthy has 2 parts. First is keeping fit and the second is keeping clean. And keeping fit has also 2 parts. First is exercise and another part is healthy food. Keeping clean has also 2 parts. First is bath daily and next is comb your hair daily. Proceeding to the next question, that is answer in 1 word. Number 1. Name any one outdoor game. Correct answer I have written here football. If you would like to change or if you would like to write any other outdoor game, you are free to write. It can be cricket also, it can be volleyball also. Number 2. You should take bath. Options given daily and weekly. Correct answer is daily. We should take bath daily. Number 3. Food that we eat at a fixed time each day. So what does that food call? Answer is meal. M-E-A-L, meal. Now next here it is answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why should we exercise daily? Answer is we should exercise daily because it makes us strong and fit. Question number 2. Write any 2 good food habits. Answer is first point, drink only clean water, and second point is never waste food or overeat. These are the 2 good food habits. And the last question is write any 2 ways to stay clean and healthy. Answer is 2 ways to stay clean and healthy are: first, brush your teeth twice a day. Second is wear clean clothes. So that's all for today, children. I hope you would like this video. Now we will meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.